हेलो गाइस, तो आज के वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं रिच डैड पुअर डैड के कुछ पॉइंट्स के बारे में। जो भी मैंने रिच डैड और पुअर डैड के बुक पढ़ी है और उसमें से इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स निकाले, उसके लेसन्स निकाले, वो सब मैंने एक बुक की समरी में लिखा है। तो आप वीडियो पे नहीं, ऑडियो पे ज़्यादा ध्यान दीजिएगा। और हम शुरू करते हैं, ठीक है। तो पहला पॉइंट है, the poor and middle class work for money, the rich have money work for them. Second point है, study hard and get good grades for a by good company. Third point, when it comes to money, most of people want to play it safe and feel secure. So passion does not direct them, fear does. So that's why they will take jobs with low pay. And next point, school does not teach about finance. Most of people working at job, the fear of not paying their bills, the fear of being fired, the fear of not having enough money, and fear of starting over. Next point, learning to have money work for you is a completely different course of study. You have gotten a taste what it feels like to work for money. Just multiply your last month by 50 years and you will have an idea of what most of people spend their life doing. Never accept paychecks. और आगे के पॉइंट्स हम कंटिन्यू ले लेंगे, ठीक है। Rich people doesn't pay more taxes. Most of people go to work, get their paychecks, balance their checkbooks, then they wonder why they don't have more money. They think that more money will solve the problem and don't realize that it's their lack of financial education that is the problem. Fact about tax, that is the price of only knowing how to work for money instead of studying how to have money work for you. Most of people never see the trap they are in. First, the fear of being without money motivates us to work hard, and then once we get that paycheck, the pattern of get up, go to work, pay bills, get up, go to work, people lives forever controlled by two emotions, fear and greed. Offer them more money and they continue that cycle by increasing their spending. This is called rat race. We got emotionally instead of using their heads. Many people say, oh, I am not interested in money, yet they will work at a job for 8 hours in a day. That's denial of truth. The job is a really short term solution of a long term problem. And use of fear and desire, use them in your favor, not against you. If you don't first handle fear and desire and you get rich, you will only be a highly paid slave. Fear pushes you out the door and desire calls to you. Human's life is a struggle between ignorance and humility. To spend your life living in a fear, never exploiting your dreams is a cruel. We only memorize historical dates and names, not the lessons. Most of things is the lessons. Most people have only one problem in mind, and it is a short term. Their emotions now control their thinking, not their heads. Rich really did make money, they did not work for it. Retirement does not mean not working. We can work or not work, and our wealth grows automatically. Staying ahead of inflation, our assets are very large enough to grow by themselves. If people are prepared to be flexible, keep an open mind, and learn, they will grow richer and richer despite tough changes. बट दिक्कत है ये कि मोस्ट ऑफ पीपल कुछ नया सीखना ही नहीं चाहते. Rich people acquire assets. The poor and middle class acquire liabilities that they think are assets. What define an asset are not words but number, and if you can't read the numbers, you can't tell an asset from a hole in the ground. Basically, definition of the asset is assets put money in your pocket, and liabilities is that something that takes money out of your pocket. If you want to be rich, simply spend your life to buying or building assets. And in 80% of most of families, the financial story paints a पिक्चर ऑफ हार्ड वर्क टू गेट अहेड. हमें मिडिल क्लास से ऊपर होने का सिखाया नहीं जाता, पर हमें सिखाया जाता है कि मिडिल क्लास में कैसे रहते हैं. ऐसी बात है. दिस इज द कैश फ्लो पैटर्न ऑफ पुअर पर्सन. उस कैश फ्लो में बताया गया है कि जो इनकम आती है वो डायरेक्ट एक्सपेंस में चली जाती है, और रिच पर्सन की इनकम स्टेटमेंट होती है. जो उसकी इनकम आती है वो, और लायबिलिटीज़ और एक्सपेंस होते हैं वो सब बाद में होते हैं, और पहले एसेट्स में पैसे जाते हैं और फिर एसेट्स में से पैसे वापस निकल के आते हैं. मतलब एसेट्स को हम बाई कर सकते हैं या अपना एसेट्स बना सकते हैं, जैसे कि खुद का ऐप बनाना, और कोई यूट्यूब हो गया या फ्रीलांस बनाना. फ्रीलांसर से तो हम पैसे कमा सकते हैं, बट कोई हमारा घर हो गया जो हमें हर महीने रेंट ला के दे, ऐसा कुछ. आप समझ रहे हैं. फियर इज द मेन रीज़न दैट पीपल से प्ले इट सेफ. दैट गोज फॉर एनीथिंग, be it sports, relationships, careers of or money. An intelligent person hires the people who are more intelligent than he is. And schools were designed to produce good employees instead of employers. The rich buy assets and the poor only have expenses, and the middle class buy liabilities they think are assets. हम ऐसी कंट्री में जी रहे हैं जहाँ ज़्यादा लोगों को जॉब देने वाले बनने की ज़रूरत है, बट हम ज़्यादातर जॉब मांग रहे हैं गवर्नमेंट से. तो ये थोड़ी सी गलत बात है, ऐसा एंटरप्रेन्योर्स कहते हैं. तो मैं भी अभी स्टूडेंट ही हूँ. एंड आगे बढ़ते हैं. द रिच फोकस ऑन देयर एसेट कॉलम्स वाइल एवरीवन else focus on their income statements. It is a secret number 3 of rich. The secret is mind your own business. The current educational system focuses on preparing today's youth to get good jobs by developing scholastic skills. The rich focus on their asset columns while everyone else focus on their income statements. Start buying real assets. Many young couples who get married and trap themselves into a lifestyle that will not let them get out of debt for most of their working years. तो यहाँ पे मैंने रिच डैड पुअर डैड में से कुछ पॉइंट्स इकट्ठा किए थे, वो मुझे लगा कि आपको बताना चाहिए तो बता दिए. तो थैंक यू. और आपको ऐसी और वीडियो चाहे तो आप कह सकते हैं कमेंट में. थैंक यू. बाय बाय.